he kind of enlightened me regarding how we should go to buy the property that I like it, and he did help me a lot. So I guess I got it because of his advice.
I'm really satisfied with the services of Ben, and he is really the God-given realtor for us.
And let him know, you know what, we found this property. And he said, okay, let's go see it. And you know, the optimism he had, it was really important for us, because at the moment I said, okay, if we don't make or we don't close this deal, we don't close anything else. We're gonna stop our buy. And he said, no, we're gonna get it.